excavator digging. He filmed it from on top of the building, from on top of a building. And did you know that some excavators can dig more than a ton in one scoop? And that is a big scoop. And this excavator looks like it can dig a lot. This is the same excavator that I showed you that was digging a big hole. And here it is. He sure is building a big hole. And that is a big excavator. I bet it weighs 100 pounds.
Probably more than 100 pounds.
31.
Like tens of thousands of pounds, thousands of pounds.
Uh-huh. And
what's the excavator doing?
He's digging.
What's he doing with the dirt?
He's putting it in the trailer. And now the trailer is leaving. And now that front end loader was digging the trailer away.
That was a bulldozer.
I mean that the bulldozer.
Tell us what the bulldozer did.
The bulldozer is coming back. And now the excavator is waiting for another trailer.